Alright, what is going on YouTube? I'm the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I got another trade breakdown, and this one might be one of my best recaps, guys. It's probably one of the I think it's the most profitable trade I've ever recapped on this channel. So let's dive right into it. If you watched my last video, this is going to be the exact same play, okay? So this is a gap and go pump fake. And don't worry too much if you don't understand what I'm talking about here. It really doesn't matter too much, and I'm going to break down this trade completely, all right? But one thing I just want to go over before I get into it too deep is that I'm trading stock options here, okay? So when I say the percentage that I make, I just want you to understand that I'm talking about trading stock options, okay? So let's get right into it, okay? So this trade today was on Apple, and it was a put. So in other words, it was a short, so I'm basically betting against the stock, okay? So I took the trade very early today, and what I did is I basically rode this wave down right here. I rode this wave down, and I'm going to basically explain it all to you. Okay, so first off, we're going to start off with the S&P, and I'm going to show you guys kind of my mindset today. Okay, so basically the most important thing to understand here is that we had a gap down on the S&P. So we closed around here, and then this morning we opened way lower. Okay, so geez, we're lagging like crazy. I'm sorry, guys. But so we started the day with a gap down, okay? So what I was looking for is some continuation. And what happened at the very beginning of the day is the S&P shot up. Not crazy, right? It wants to go up before it goes down and wants to see if it can go higher, and it failed to, okay? But what happened is the S&P went up, so this kind of influenced other stocks, and this is what happened with Apple. Apple also went up when the S&P went up. And also, Apple also gapped down. So I'm looking for a short here, and we had a basically really good gap and go. Okay, so as the S&P went up, so did Apple. Now, as Apple went up, we had a really clear. Sorry, let me just zoom this in. We had a very clear trend here on Apple. So it jumped up, and what I saw here was this really clear trend right at this level. Okay, so let me just draw this line so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See right here how all the bodies of this candlestick just hang right at this level, right at this 261 area. So while it was up here, I basically was waiting for it to come back down and break below this level, because I basically knew once it broke below this level here, it's going to crash down. So I was basically I was just waiting for it to start coming back down. And it did come back down. So let me pull up my orders here. I have the orders screenshotted. Whoops. I'm going to show you guys that later. Hold on. Here's the orders. So I got in at 9:45, guys. So I got in. Well, I'm sorry. No, I got in at 9:42. My bad. I got out at 9:45. In at 9:42, which is this candlestick right here. I have the candlestick highlighted now. You can see it's the actual candlestick that broke right below, okay? So when I got in this morning, it was actually real volatile. The market was very volatile this morning, and there was a huge spread on stock options. So when I got in, I actually was down more than my max loss. So when I take trades, I like to cut my losses at 10%. When I got into this trade, I was instantly down. I think it was like 9%, and it ended up going up to like at least, I think like 18%. I was down at one point, but I knew that the market was going to be very strong today. I understand that what's happening. I understand that with the market going down the way it is, that I'm going to have to take on a little bit more risk, and I might be able to profit a little bit more. So I was kind of okay with that because I saw a great technical formation. It was breaking down, right? So we got in right here, and it took a second or two before it really cracked, but then we got the move I was looking for, and boom, it took down. And then I got out right on this candlestick right here, right at 9:45. And as you can see here, you can see my entries. I got in at $1.34 per contract, and I got out at $1.83 per contract. So you guys can do the math, but guys, that is a 49% profit. Just about, okay? It's about 49% profit, which is absolutely bonkers, guys. Like, I was aiming to make 20%, and this thing just shot down so quick that by the time I sold, I was up 49%. So I guess that little bit of extra risk I took on really paid off today. And this is a killer trade. And what I liked so much about it, let me get these orders out of here, is that check out my last video. It's the same setup. the market was declining. We had a gap down. Market opens and we have a nice pump up. And then we see a nice technical formation. And once it broke down, I got in short and I rode that baby down and it came right to me. And I had a great profit. Okay. So guys, this is like one of my best trades that I've recapped, like I started the video saying. But I just want to show you guys that like anybody could do this. Okay. It doesn't take a ton of money to take a trade like this. And you could also do it with a ton of money and profit a ton more. But guys, I made 49% on this, and that is insane. Like, nobody makes 49% in a year. Like, if somebody did this with their 401k, they would be good for years, okay? So I just want to show you guys that these moves are possible, that it's possible to profit in the market, and anybody can do this. And this is just a very simple technical formation, gap and go. It's just a simple setup. And it worked out perfectly. Sure, I did take on a little bit more risk, but that was kind of a given, just given with today's volatility. The market's been tumbling down and the market's been very volatile, but I just thought it was a really great play and I wanted to break it down for you guys. And what I really liked about it is it was the same trade as yesterday. It was literally the same setup. So honestly, you know what? Let's go back real quick and I'll show you guys the trade I took yesterday. Literally the same thing, okay? I'm not going to zoom out, but it was a gap down and then we create this technical formation here. It spiked up and then we got short right at that technical formation and wrote it down. Same thing as today, right? Same exact thing basically. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and click on my channel. I have a lot more videos like it. And now I'm going to pull up my Discord here. You guys can go ahead and add me, the Stock Guru, hashtag 8166. Go ahead and add me and send me a direct message. And I actually have a Discord group with over 100 stock traders. We were all basically watching the market short today. We were all talking about our trades and sharing our ideas. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, it's completely free. So go ahead and shoot me a direct message and I'll send you an invite to the chat. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.